Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is a project to create pendants with wine corks. It's a nice project for Mother's Day, Grandmother's Day, or for a birthday. To make a pendant, take a cork that has not been damaged. With a pointed tool, make a hole on each side of the cork. I used an awl, which is a small sharp tool used to pierce leather. Put a little bit of strong glue on the hole and then insert an eye pin in the hole so that only the eyelet remains visible. Do this on each side of the cork. Paint the cork in a color of your choice. I choose to paint the cork in gold. Because gold paint is transparent, I started by painting a coat of ochre paint. When the paint of ochre is dry, apply 1 or 2 coats of gold paint. To dry the cork without damaging the paint, slide the pendant on a metallic pin and let it dry hanging. When the paint is dry, take a piece of plastic wrap and crumple it up. Dab a contrasting color all around the cork and let it dry. At one end of the cork, put a ring and a charm of your choice. You can find boxes with hundreds of different charms on the market. Attach a ring to the other side of the cork so you can easily pass a chain or string through it. You can decorate the corks with dots of paint, ribbon, small fancy stones, and so on. Instead of a charm, you can attach colored ribbons or cross-stitch floss to the bottom of the pendant. The possibilities are endless. For illustrated instructions of this project, click on the link below the video and visit the Animaplace website to find hundreds of other fun and educational projects. See you soon!